Hi everyone. So this is another great piece of history. This is Volkswagen Heidelberg design radio. Okay, here is a bit history. So Volkswagen has a couple basic radio models, which is the first one is Alpha, then Beta, and Gamma. And after those, there was a special Heidelberg radios. So this is Heidelberg fifth, if I am not wrong, from 1980s. It's in green backlight color, so it fits perfectly any Volkswagen you have with the green dashboard color. Okay. One issue we have this radio was unable to fix the screen, as you can see here. It's supposed to be full one, and here is missing a whole number, so there is no new parts available and we didn't have a donor, so it is what it is, but let's test it out. Okay, radio works. Now let's go forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Okay, works just fine. So let's see how it looks in the dark. Camera don't focus green color for some reason, but all lights are okay. You will see in the pictures. Since this radio has a screen defect, we didn't put the Bluetooth in it, but if you are interested, we can do it for you. So simply contact us or visit our website, and see you in the next one. Thumbs up.